Hello, in this video we have this interesting exponential equation. We have 5 to the power of m plus 6 equals 6 to the power of m plus 5. And we are going to solve for the values of m. So let's go ahead and do that. If you have 5 to the power of m plus 6 and this equals 6 to the power of m plus 5, what you have to do is to apply this identity. If you have a to the power of n plus m, this equals a to the power of n times a to the power of m. So if we apply this identity right here, we are going to have 5 to the power of m times 5 to the power of 6, and this equals 6 to the power of m times 6 to the power of 5. So the next thing we are going to do is to divide both sides of this equation by 5 to the power of 6 times, we also have 6 to the power of m. Then we divide this by 5 to the power of 6 times, we also have 6 to the power of m. So by doing that, 5 to the power of 6 will cancel 5 to the power of 6, and 6 to the power of m will cancel 6 to the power of m. So what we are going to be left with is just 5 to the power of m divided by 6 to the power of m, and this equals 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Now the next thing we are going to do is, if you have a to the power of b divided by c to the power of b, this simply means you can rewrite this as a divided by c all to the power of b. So let's apply this right here. We are going to have 5 divided by 6 all to the power of m, and this equals 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Now, in order to solve for the value of this m, let's introduce log. We have log of 5 divided by 6 to the power of m equals log of 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Now, if you have log of a to the power of b, this equals b times log of a. So this is the identity we are going to apply here, and we are going to have m times log of 5 divided by 6, and this equals log of 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Now, we can apply this other law of logarithm. If you have log of a divided by b, this equals log of a minus log of b. So by applying this identity here, we are going to have m into, we can have log of 5 minus log of 6, and this equals log of 6 to the power of 5 minus log of 5 to the power of 6. So we go ahead. Now, in this other part, we can apply these laws of logarithm again. If you have log of a power b, this equals b times log of a. So that means we are going to have m into log of 5 minus log of 6. This equals 5 times log of 6 minus 6 times log of 5. So, in order to solve for m, we divide each part of this equation by log of 5 minus log of 6. And we do the same thing here. Log of 5 minus log of 6. And by doing that, this will cancel this, and we have m equals 5 times log of 6 minus 6 times log of 5, and this divided by log of 5 minus log of 6. Now the next thing is for us to make use of our calculator, and let's write out the values of log of 5 and log of 6. So from my calculator, log of 5 is equals to or equals 0.6990 into 4 decimal places, and log of 6 equals 0.7782. All these are approximate values. So what we are going to do next is to insert this into where we have log of 5 and log of 6. So we have m equals 5 into, this is log of 6, and we are going to have 0.7782 minus 6 into log of 5, and that is 0.6990. Then we have divided by log of 5, that is 0.6990 minus log of 6, and that is 0.7782. So we go ahead and we have m equals 5 times 0.7782. We have 3.891 into 3 decimal places minus 6 times 0.6990. We have 4.194 into the 3 decimal places as well, and we have 0.6990 minus 0.7782. So we have m equals 3.891 minus 4.194. We are going to have negative 0.303 divided by 0.6990 minus 0.7782. We are going to have negative 0.079, and this negative will cancel this negative. You have this equals 3.835. Now this is the approximate values of m. For you to check if what we have solved is correct, you have here check. What you have to do is simply insert these values for m in the original equation. We have 5 power m plus 6 equals 6 power m plus 5. That means since our m is this, we are going to have 5 power 3.835 plus 6 equals 6 power 3.835 plus 5. So that means this will give us 5 power 9.835, and this is approximately equals to 6 power 8.835. So if you insert these values into your calculator, you have an almost approximate values. So that's it for the video. Thank you and goodbye.